Kareeboo, and welcome to Lesson 1.1 of a digital marketing course at MTTI. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn what digital marketing actually is, what it includes, and why it matters for a small business in Kenya today. Let us begin. Before we begin this lesson, let us take 1 minute to see the full picture. This digital marketing course has 15 modules and 67 lessons. You will study social media marketing, including paid advertising on Meta, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You will learn to build websites with WordPress, master search engine optimization, run Google Ads campaigns, create visual content with Canva, read analytics dashboards, and in a brand new module, use artificial intelligence tools to write marketing copy and automate your work. Every single lesson uses Sarah's Kareeboo kitchen as the case study, so you learn from a real Kenyan business, not an American textbook. Every lesson has 3 parts. If you are an enrolled student at MTTI, all 3 are available to you on the learning management system: the video, the interactive lab, and the graded quiz. Use all 3. If you are watching on YouTube, welcome! You are seeing part 1, the video. The interactive lab and quiz are available when you enroll. Visit masomotele.co.ke to get the full course experience and earn your certificate. Now, let us begin the lesson. Meet Sarah Chebet. Sarah runs Kareeboo Kitchen, a small restaurant in Eldoret. She serves lunch to office workers in the town center and delivers dinner to families in Kapsoya, Elgonview, and Rescos. Sarah has heard that her business needs digital marketing, but she's not sure what that phrase actually means. Her budget is 15,000 shillings a month, and she wants to know, is digital marketing just paying for Facebook adverts? By the end of this lesson, you will be able to help Sarah answer that question. Digital marketing is every marketing activity that uses electronic devices or the internet to reach customers. It promotes brands, products, or services through digital channels like search engines, social media, email, video, and websites. And it connects with customers exactly where they already spent their time online. Notice 2 important things in that definition. 1. Digital marketing is not one thing, it is many. 2. It meets customers where they already are. You don't have to force them to come to you. There are 9 core elements of digital marketing that every trainee must know. 1. Content marketing, creating valuable content to attract an audience. 2. Social media marketing, using platforms like Facebook and Instagram. 3. Email marketing, sending targeted messages to subscribers. 4. Mobile marketing, reaching customers on their phones. 5. Affiliate marketing, paying partners a commission on sales. 6. Search engine marketing, or SEM, paid adverts on Google. 7. Search engine optimization, or SEO, improving your visibility in unpaid Google results. 8. Display advertising, banner adverts on other websites. And 9. Analytics, measuring what is working and what is not. Why do businesses do digital marketing at all? There are 7 common goals. Increased brand awareness, so more people know you exist. Lead generation, capturing details of potential customers. Sales generation, direct purchases of your product. Customer information, teaching people about what you offer. Improved customer service, solving problems faster online. Direct customer engagement, real conversation, not just adverts. And traffic generation, bringing visitors to your website or shop. For Sarah at Kareeboo Kitchen, the 2 most important goals will be sales generation and increased brand awareness in her 3 delivery neighborhoods. Digital marketing has clear advantages over traditional adverts on radio, newspapers, and billboards. It is more cost-effective. A well-placed post can reach thousands for a few hundred shillings. It is easier to track. You see exactly how many people clicked, watched, or bought. It reaches a larger demographic, the whole internet, not just people who read your local paper. It has higher engagement. People can like, comment, and share. And crucially in Kenya, it is mobile friendly because over 80% of internet traffic in Kenya is on phones. But digital marketing is not perfect. It has fewer face-to-face moments, so relationships can feel less personal. Adverts can be obtrusive. Nobody enjoys a pop-up. It needs constant management. You cannot post once and walk away, and it does not suit every product. If your customer is a rural elder without a smartphone, print or radio may still serve you better. Finally, digital marketing in Kenya is regulated. The Kenya Data Protection Act of 2019 gives every customer rights over how their personal data is collected and used. You must obtain consent before sending marketing messages. You must respect privacy. You must not spam. And you must follow copyright rules on images and music. Ignore these obligations, and your business faces fines of up to 5 million Kenya shillings, plus the loss of your customers' trust. So, back to Sarah. Digital marketing is not just Facebook adverts. It is 9 connected activities aimed at several possible goals, chosen to fit her budget, her customers, and her law. In our next lesson, 1.2, we will show Sarah how to turn all this into an actual 8-element digital marketing strategy she can start on Monday morning. See you there. Karibu tena. Welcome back.